So this is everything I needed to do your oil change on a manual transmission. Okay, I'm refilling the transmission oil. And I bought the 75-90 gear oil, full synthetic. I usually use 75-85, but I hope this one's not a big difference or it won't do any damage. So I got the 17mm bolt off. Here, let me show you. I got it off and I got this funnel cup in there. And the way you fill it up is you fill it up until it leaks, and that's how you know it has enough. Or it's definitely going through inside the transmission, but it is taking a while. Alright, I think it's full. I actually just finished the second bottle and I can already see some starting to come out. You see? Starting to drip. That means it's full, which is a good thing because I just ran out of the second bottle. See that? You see when it's dripping, that means it's full because it made it all the way to the top. Oops, overdid it. Overdid my little bit. Yep, she squirted. That should be good enough. So I have a bad alternator. That's the problem why my car doesn't want to start, because my battery drains and then there's nothing to charge it back. So I already started disconnecting the connection, the ground and stuff like that. Now I just have to remove the tensioner and the bolt to the engine or mount. As you can see, it's full of oil. You can't even, if you can see it good, it's full of oil. That's probably the main reason why, besides the heat, because it's next to a manifold, because heat kills alternators and batteries, but most likely it was the oil that killed this one. I'm no mechanic or anything, but I'm pretty sure all this oil that's covering this, it's covered all over the alternator, is what killed it. But you know what, I'm not the professional here, so it's just a guess. What's this for? The guy said lifetime warranty, todo el pinche pedo. Let's fucking go. Had to buy a DSM, man. Had to.
He said it was something, no, he said, yeah, I went over there and I was like, that don't look right. Because the fucking bolt was like this out.
I kind of figured it too, but I couldn't think, I mean, the bill's
14.2. When you rev it, it'll be like 14 plus. When you're running on the highway, that's a good charge. When you're on the highway, high RPM, it'll charge 14.
Now we know my horn didn't work. This explains why my fog light didn't work. We got the car jacks, you know what that means? Yes sir, time to change the brake rotors. About time we do it. You know, I got these online, they look really good. Something cheap, but maintenance part 2. Hell yeah, I'm finally getting rid of these rusty ass old rotors. Fucking all that rusty ass. Wow, that looks beautiful. So much better. can't believe I didn't do this from the beginning. Like, replace the caliper, the brake pads, redid the fluid, had this whole thing apart, and I couldn't replace this stupid rotor. Come on, man. That's the retarded me. Oh man, that looks way better. Oh my god. Never been more impressed in my life. Performance? Not performance. Alright, I don't even know if it has any brake performance. Wow. That is a huge difference. Just a little something for the suds. Oops, that was a little too much. Ooh, she squirted. She squirted. And that looks way better, my friends. Way better. Should have done this from the beginning. Let's get this back going on the other side. With DSM problem, the door trim always peels off. So I went to the junkyard a while back and I got another door trim. So no, I'm gonna take this one off. I might try to repaint it. I wanna see how that comes out because the one I got used, it actually isn't that good, but it's better than the one right now. So I'm gonna replace that real quick and see how it looks. So I finally got the window trim on, and hopefully I can get these spots off, but it looks way better than the one before. So now I'm just gonna get the mirror on. I actually resprayed the mirror with some touch-up paint, and it came out really good, but man, I did mess up right here. Hopefully it's not too noticeable when I put it on. Temporary paint and fix. I finally got the fender painted and put on. Also the side mirror and top roof. The roof came it's alright, but it looked better than it did before. So you're doing a great job. She got a little wet. She got a little wet down there. So now I'm just gonna reseal the oil pan and put it back on. I mean, so far I've seen no oil shavings or piston rings, so that's a good sign. And I was confused because I still saw my oil dipstick down there, and then I was just like, what? And then it looks like it broke off, and this dude just left it inside the oil pan. Like, he let it fall through. I'm like, what the hell? Oil change. Let's fucking get it.
Yeah, you're getting oil in there. That's why I said compression test don't tell you too. It'll tell you something, but not too much. You got too much oil in there in the cylinder, so that's what's creating high compression. Call me Jesse, dude. Go ahead. Stop. Same result, like 200, 205, 205 for that one.